Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel, youtube.com/pmclounge. If you're watching this video on YouTube, consider subscribing. We are all about project management, PMP, and other such project management related certifications. In this video, I'm going to share with you a tool that can potentially help you in your upcoming project management job interview. The best part is that this tool comes from Google. So let me share my screen and I'll share a direct link, this link in the description below, using which you can arrive on this tool. So this tool is called Interview Warmup, and it is basically going to ask you 5 questions that you can answer and practice. And it is obviously going to offer you some insights and gives you it also gives you some hints and tips and whatnot. So when you click on start practicing, it will ask you what field you want to practice for. Project management is one of the fields, but you can also see that there are other fields as well. But let's stick to project management, and it is going to ask you 5 interview questions. And when you're done, review your answers and you can discover insights as well. So I'm pretty sure as more and more people use this, as Google collects data and analytics, it is going to provide much better insights in the future. So what are you looking for in your next job? This is the first question that the tool has thrown to us. This is a background question. So basically there are 3 categories of question that this tool can ask you. Background questions, what they are, why interviewers ask them. You can read all this good stuff and understand about background questions. Then there are situational questions. What are situational questions? Why interviewers ask them? There are tips that you can use to answer such situational questions as well. Then there are technical questions. What are they? Why interviewers ask them, and then some tips on answering technical questions as well. So these are the 3 categories from which you can expect questions. And the first question is, what are you looking for in your next job? You can either type your answer or you can answer with your mic. So when I select answer with your mic, now is the right time for me to answer this question. What are you looking for in your next job? And it is transcribing at the same time. So when I click on done, it is going to show me the answer that I had basically given to this question. What are you looking for in your next job? Now it has job related terms. If I've used any job related terms in my answer, then of course that is a good thing, right? And what are the most used words? If there are any most used words that I've used for 3 or more times, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but it is basically flagging that out. And then it also gives you talking points. So what you can do is you can make use of these talking points. Experience, you can talk about your previous roles, you can talk about your previous education and training, your current role, how your past experience is relevant to this role. Then it gives you skills. Some examples of skills are the skills you can bring to this role, the skills you'd like to use more, how you've used your skills in the past, skills you have received excellent feedback for. So these are the skills. And what are you looking for in your next job? You can talk about some of the skills as well. You can talk about your previous experience as well. What are the skills that you currently have, and you might have received excellent feedback in the past and you want to use those skills in your next job as well, which is what you're looking for. Then you have lessons learned, examples of the lessons learned, what you have learned from past experiences, how feedback has inspired personal growth, how you learned best, how learnings from your past experience can help in this new role. So all these talking points are going to help you answer questions, and these are talking points for a background category question, right? And we just saw that there are 3 categories. Then there are goals, and then there are interests. So you can use all of this. If you go to next question, it is going to ask you a next question, which is basically a situational based question. What is a situational based question? You can actually look at, and the question is really good actually. Tell me about a time when you had to act quickly but didn't have a lot of data to inform your decision. What did you do and what was the outcome? Excellent question. I think this is one question I would definitely want to ask if I am taking an interview the next time, right? Or I would definitely want to prepare myself to answer if I'm giving or appearing for an interview. Now it talks about talking points. Again, the same things: experiences, skills, lessons learned, examples, and it then gives you results. So when you want to mention results, you can talk about the outcome of an action, how that outcome was quantified, how you affected the outcome, how that outcome informed future decisions for you or the company. So these talking points are also excellent, and these are also very, very helpful. I'd say if you are preparing for a project management interview, definitely check this tool out. It is not giving you ready made answers, right? No tool can do that, and you should not expect a tool to do that. You should come up with your own answers, but make use of a free tool that Google is providing. Google of all companies, right? So Google is providing this. Make use of it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.